If you are over 60 and you've been feeling foggy, forgetful, slower to think, or just not as sharp as you used to be, then listen very carefully, because what I'm about to share may completely change how your brain feels within the next 48 hours. And no, this is not another pill, not a supplement you can't pronounce, and not a fad diet. In fact, most people walk right past this every single day without realizing how powerful it is for the aging brain. What if I told you that one simple daily drink could help flush out mental fatigue, improve focus, and restore mental clarity faster than anything else you've tried? And what if the real reason your brain feels foggy has nothing to do with age at all? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's happening inside your brain, why this drink works so quickly for seniors, and how to use it safely and effectively starting today. Let's start by clearing up one of the biggest misconceptions about brain fog after 60. Most people assume that feeling mentally cloudy, forgetful, or unfocused is just a normal part of aging. They think, well, I'm getting older, so my brain slowing down is inevitable. But that assumption is not only wrong, it's harmful. Aging alone does not automatically cause brain fog. What actually causes it is a combination of dehydration, poor blood flow, inflammation, blood sugar instability, and nutrient delivery problems to the brain. The good news is that all of these factors can improve quickly when you address the root cause. And that's exactly where this daily drink comes in. Here's something most seniors are never told. By the time you feel thirsty, your brain is already dehydrated. Even mild dehydration can reduce attention, memory, and processing speed, especially in older adults. As we age, the body's thirst signals become weaker, so you may not feel thirsty even when your brain desperately needs fluid. Dehydration thickens the blood, slows circulation, and reduces oxygen delivery to the brain. That alone can create brain fog, dizziness, and mental fatigue. Now add inflammation and unstable blood sugar on top of that, and it's no wonder so many people over 60 feel like they're walking around in a mental haze. So what is this drink? It's not coffee, and it's not juice. In fact, coffee often makes brain fog worse after a short boost. The drink I'm talking about is a specific type of water-based drink designed to hydrate your brain cells, support blood flow, and stabilize energy without overstimulating your nervous system. It's mineral, enhanced water with a small but powerful twist that most people completely overlook. The core of this drink is water, but not just plain water, because plain water alone often isn't enough for older adults. The key is adding the right natural components to help water actually get into your cells, including your brain cells. Let's talk about why plain water sometimes doesn't work as well as you expect. As we age, our electrolyte balance changes. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are what help water move into your cells. Without enough electrolytes, water can pass right through your system without properly hydrating you. That's why some people say, I drink water all day but still feel tired and foggy. The solution is not more water, but better hydration. This daily drink provides that. The simplest version of this brain-clearing drink starts with a glass of clean water, preferably room temperature. Cold water can slow digestion and absorption in older adults. To that water, you add a small pinch of natural sea salt, not table salt. Sea salt contains trace minerals that help balance electrolytes and improve circulation. This tiny amount of salt helps your body retain the water and deliver it to your brain instead of flushing it out. You don't need much, just a pinch, and it should not taste salty. If it does, you've added too much. Now here's the part that makes this drink especially powerful for clearing brain fog fast. You add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is not just for flavor. It stimulates digestion, supports liver detoxification, and helps balance blood pH. When your liver is overloaded with toxins, your brain feels it. Brain fog is often a sign that your detox systems are sluggish. Lemon gently supports these systems without stressing the body. It also provides a small amount of potassium, which is crucial for nerve signaling in the brain. When you drink this combination first thing in the morning, before coffee or food, something remarkable happens. Within minutes, blood flow improves, hydration begins at the cellular level, and your brain starts receiving more oxygen and nutrients. Many people notice improved clarity within the first hour. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, as you continue drinking it daily, inflammation begins to calm, circulation improves further, and that heavy, foggy feeling starts to lift. But there's more to this than just hydration. Let's talk about blood sugar, because this is another massive cause of brain fog after 60. Blood sugar swings can make your brain feel tired, confused, and unfocused. Many seniors experience blood sugar spikes and crashes without realizing it, even if they don't have diabetes. When blood sugar drops too low or spikes too high, the brain struggles because it relies on a steady supply of glucose for energy. This daily drink helps stabilize blood sugar by improving hydration and supporting the nervous system. Starting your day with this drink, instead of something sweet or caffeinated, sets your brain up for stable energy instead of a roller coaster. Another reason this drink works so well is that it supports nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and widen, improving circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain. Lemon and proper hydration both support this process. Improved circulation is one of the fastest ways to reduce brain fog, especially in older adults where blood flow naturally declines. Now let's talk about what not to do, because this is just as important. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to clear brain fog is relying on stimulants. Coffee, energy drinks, and sugary snacks might make you feel more alert for a short time, but they often make brain fog worse later. They stress the adrenal glands, dehydrate the body, and cause blood sugar crashes. If you're drinking coffee first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, you're likely making brain fog worse, not better. That doesn't mean you have to give up coffee entirely, but it should come after proper hydration, not before. Another mistake is skipping meals or eating highly processed foods. Your brain needs steady fuel, not extremes. Highly processed foods cause inflammation, which directly affects brain function. If you want this daily drink to work as effectively as possible, pair it with simple, whole foods like eggs, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. You don't need a perfect diet, but reducing sugar and processed foods can dramatically improve mental clarity. Timing also matters. The best time to drink this is first thing in the morning. You can also have another glass in the early afternoon. If you notice mental fatigue creeping in, avoid drinking large amounts right before bed, as it may disrupt sleep. Sleep, by the way, is another major factor in brain fog. Poor sleep prevents the brain from clearing waste products that build up during the day. This drink supports hydration, which helps the brain's natural cleaning process during sleep. You might be wondering how quickly you'll notice results. Many people feel some improvement within hours, especially if they were dehydrated. Within 24 hours, focus and alertness often improve, By 48 hours, many seniors report significantly less brain fog, better memory recall, and improved mood. This isn't magic. It's your brain finally getting what it needs to function properly. Let me be very clear about something important. This drink is not a cure for serious neurological conditions, and it's not a replacement for medical care. If you have ongoing or worsening cognitive symptoms, you should always talk to a healthcare professional. However, for everyday brain fog related to hydration, circulation, and lifestyle factors, this approach can be incredibly effective and safe for most people. Consistency is key. One glass won't fix years of dehydration and inflammation, but drinking this daily creates a foundation for better brain health. Over time, many people notice improved memory, faster thinking, and even better emotional balance. The brain is remarkably resilient, even after 60, when you give it the right support. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Brain fog after 60 is not inevitable. It's often caused by dehydration, poor circulation, inflammation, and unstable blood sugar. A simple daily drink made with water, a pinch of natural sea salt, and fresh lemon can help hydrate your brain, improve blood flow, support detoxification, and restore mental clarity within as little as 48 hours. Start your day with it. Avoid common mistakes like relying on stimulants, and support it with simple, nourishing foods. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. Your brain health matters, and small daily habits can make a big difference at any age.